So next is, once our dashboard is ready, can we develop a dashboard in Power BI? So let's demonstrate Power BI part, how we can connect our data Snowflake database or data warehouse with Power BI. For that, we need to go Power BI desktop. Once we log in, we have to go in get data, and we have to go more data, and then we have online services, or we can use type Snowflake. This is a simple way. Now we have a Snowflake server and it asking warehouse. So we need to get the server address and warehouse. So how do we can get this? So we are come back our app.snowflake.com. Our dashboard is ready. Here is test dashboard, just for playing purpose or testing purpose. We see our dashboard output, and now I'm coming back. So we have this user which we are login, and we need to go here. Oh, I'm sorry, we have to go there, and then we have to click this copy account URL. Okay, so I just copy it, account URL. Right, once I copy it, so I need a warehouse name because it's a mandatory. Copy the server account name, so I just don't need HTTPS, just click it, click OK. So yes, it's mandatory actually, so that's why we have to find account warehouse name. So for finding the warehouse name, we need to go admin, and we have a warehouse, and this is our warehouse name. So this is our warehouse name, its size is small. Can we change it? Yes, we can change it, but for the sake of demonstration purpose, I am just showing you some that we have this type of small to medium large type of servers available, but we are not going to change it, just for demonstration purpose. So compute WH is our data warehouse, our warehouse name. So let me go back Power BI, and I will write compute warehouse, and just click it, and then we connect it. Okay, so here we have a sample test database, sample schema, we have a sample table, and we have this record. Let me select this table and load it. We have again two options, import or direct query. Let me use direct query. Okay, so in direct query I have count, but I don't need to summarize it, and I'm going to create a table, and where I am going to put ID, column, full name, account. So we have this. So for the sake of quick demonstration, because I am using direct import, let me just test for my understanding or your understanding that if I need to change any value, for example 200 for ID number 2, so let me check, is this update simultaneously there or not. So it's updated, and I need to refresh it. 200 against 2, so you can see against ID 2 we have data 2. So direct query mode is connected. So this is how it works.